Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are going to install a very important mod that is good for all the Yamahas, Hondas, KTMs, pretty much all the dirt bikes that are running Keihin FCR carburetor. You know, it's very difficult to adjust your fuel screw on those carburetors because the location is really not good. It's right on the bottom of the carburetor. Plus, when you put this, your screwdriver in, you don't really know whether you turn it or you didn't turn it, so it's really headachy. Highly suggest to get aftermarket fuel screw. I got the JD Jetting aftermarket fuel screw. I have really good experience with these guys, and we're gonna install it today on WR and show you how easy it is to tune your carburetor with that screw. So stick around. Here is your fuel air screw. This is for your fine tuning, and it's really bad position. Almost impossible to put your screwdriver in there when you have it installed on the bike, and this is something that you need to play with when the temperature is changing and humidity is changing. You need to fine-tune that idle, that first response, so you need to be able to adjust that screw. Now interestingly, on WR, this bolt right here sometimes is blocked. You're not able to see it, you're not able to adjust it. So if you still have it blocked, I'll show you the picture how it looks when it's blocked. Just put some kind of pick in the middle and wiggle it side to side, or some kind of drywall screw or something that will allow you to break it open, and then you would get access to this screw. Then we're just gonna take it out. And watch out, because there is a spring, little washer, and little O-ring on the fuel screw. You want to be able to get them all out. You see right here, spring, washer, and the O-ring. I'm gonna take it out. Spring, washer, and the O-ring. Hope you can see it nice in the video. Now I got this aftermarket JD Jetting fuel screw that makes it very easy. You are able to adjust it with your fingers. And I'm gonna put this back in the same order. Spring, washer, and the O-ring. It's very simple, very easy to install, and it's gonna help you a big time when you are fine-tuning your carburetor. And you can do it on the trail, on the track. It's very easy. It's a little tighter because there is a spring holding it, so just go till it's really hard. Don't over tight it. There you go. Usually it's like 2 turns out when you have everything jetting correctly, something like that, but you can still play with it once your bike is running. Alright, that's it. Now this carburetor is ready to be installed in my bike. Alright, so the screw is in and is now almost all the way in. I think it's like a 1/4 turn out. And you will hear the bike is popping, it's not really running well, it doesn't really want to follow the gas, it just doesn't sound healthy. I'll let you hear it. And then right after I'll try to adjust it and make the bike run really crisp. Doesn't want to start. You hear that, right? It's very lazy, doesn't want to follow the throttle, and it's popping and it's backfiring. It's really a mess. So let me try now to bring it out 2 turns. See how that runs. That's 1 turn out. This is 2 turns out. Starts okay. Can you hear the difference? So I did 2 turns out. Now my fuel screw is 2 1/4 turns, something like that. We need to play with this when the temperature is changing. It's a cold day or a hot day, or you go in high elevation or low elevation. You still need to play with the screw a little bit. If I don't put this fuel screw in, I have to stick the screwdriver in there. It's almost impossible. So I highly suggest go get the aftermarket screw. The JD Jetting makes really good product. It's all metal, it's not plastic, and you will have peace of mind. It will run so much better. It will be easier. My daughter came in the shot, so it'll be so much easier for you to adjust your bike, to fine-tune your bike. Even though your jetting is right, everything is correct, you still need to play with that fuel screw every now and then, depending how drastic the changes in the weather or in elevation. Alright my friends, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, you know, as always, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.